Turn on subtitles for better understanding. Genghis Khan was one of the most powerful leaders in world history. His story mixes hard childhood, strong ambition, and great military skill. His empire changed Asia and shaped the world. He was born around 1162 in the cold steppes of Mongolia. His birth name was Temujin, not Genghis Khan. His family belonged to a small nomad tribe. Life was difficult and often dangerous. When Temujin was young, his father was poisoned by enemies. His family lost its protection and became very poor. They struggled to survive harsh winters. Temujin learned strength through pain. As a boy, he showed strong will and sharp intelligence. He watched people carefully and understood their fears. He learned to ride horses very early. The steppe became his first teacher. Temujin grew up in a world full of tribal conflicts. Many groups fought for food, animals, and safe land. He learned that unity brought power. He dreamed of joining the tribes. As a teenager, he made important friendships and alliances. One friend was Jamuka, who later became his rival. These early relationships shaped his future leadership style. Temujin married Borte when he was young. She became his closest partner and strongest support. When enemies kidnapped her, Temujin fought bravely to bring her home. His rescue of Borte increased his reputation among the tribes. People saw him as loyal and determined. More warriors joined his growing group. His influence slowly expanded. Temujin believed leaders should be chosen for talent, not family. This idea was new in Mongol culture. Skilled warriors admired his fairness. They trusted him with their lives. After many battles, Temujin united several tribes under his command. In 1206, he was given the title Genghis Khan, meaning universal ruler. A new empire was born. The Mongol Empire grew quickly under his leadership. His armies moved fast across open land. They used horses with great skill and discipline. Speed became their strongest weapon. Genghis Khan organized his army into clear groups. Each soldier followed strict rules and training. Communication was fast and simple. This made the army very effective. He also used clever strategies in battle. Sometimes he pretended to retreat to confuse enemies. Other times he attacked from many sides. His tactics surprised stronger armies. The Mongols first expanded across northern China. They defeated many powerful kingdoms. Their victories opened the way to rich cities. The empire continued to grow. Genghis Khan respected different cultures and religions. He allowed people to keep their beliefs. This policy helped reduce resistance. Many cities accepted Mongol rule. He created laws called the yasa. These rules encouraged order and loyalty. They punished theft and rewarded bravery. The yasa helped unite the large empire. Trade increased under his rule. The Mongols protected merchants, traveling along the Silk Road. Safer roads brought more goods and ideas across Asia. Genghis Khan valued learning and information. He used messengers to carry news quickly. This network helped him make fast decisions. It strengthened his control. The empire expanded west toward Central Asia. Cities like Bokhara and Samarkand fell to the Mongols. These victories shocked the world. Their reputation grew even stronger. Some cities resisted Mongol rule and were destroyed. The Mongols believed strong punishment prevented future rebellions. Their harsh actions created fear across many regions. Despite the violence, the empire also brought stability. Roads became safer for travelers. Trade routes opened between distant cultures. People exchanged goods and knowledge. Genghis Khan trusted talented generals to lead campaigns. His sons and relatives also commanded large armies. Together they pushed the empire even farther. The Mongols reached Persia and the Caucasus. They defeated many armies that seemed stronger. Their discipline and speed made them almost unstoppable in battle. Genghis Khan also focused on administration. He collected taxes fairly and organized local leaders. He wanted the empire to last long. His vision was larger than war. He encouraged communication across the empire. Messengers carried mail between stations. This system worked like an early postal network. It kept the empire connected and informed. Genghis Khan respected loyalty above everything. He rewarded those who served him well. Many people from different cultures joined his administration. He also promoted people based on skill, not birth. This idea was unusual at the time. It helped create a strong and efficient government. In his later years, Genghis Khan continued leading campaigns. He wanted to complete the conquest of northern China. His armies fought many difficult battles. He died in 1227 during a military campaign. The exact cause of his death is still unknown. His body was taken back to Mongolia in secret. After his death, his empire was divided among his sons. They continued expanding Mongol power. The empire reached its greatest size under his grandson Kublai. The Mongol Empire became the largest land empire in history. It stretched from Korea to Eastern Europe. Many cultures lived under its rule. The empire encouraged trade between East and West. Goods, like silk, spices, and gold, moved across long distances. Ideas also traveled widely. The Mongols improved roads and built safe stations for travelers. Merchants felt protected under their rule. This period is often called the Pax Mongolica. The empire also helped spread technology. Paper, printing, and gunpowder moved westward. These inventions changed many parts of the world. Genghis Khan's legacy is complex and debated. Some see him as a brutal conqueror. Others see him as a unifier who shaped global history. His leadership style mixed discipline, loyalty, and vision. He believed strong order created strong nations. His ideas influenced future rulers across Asia. Many Mongols today honor him as a national hero. His story represents courage, unity, and endurance. His name remains important in Mongolian culture. Historians study his life to understand power and empire. His rise from poverty to rule a vast territory is remarkable. Few leaders changed history more. The Mongol Empire eventually broke into smaller states. Distance and conflict weakened its unity. But its influence continued for centuries. Today, Genghis Khan is known around the world. His empire connected cultures and shaped trade routes. His story remains a key part of world history.